What's the meaning of belt drive? Belt drive. Belt drive.
Belt drive. Belt drive. A belt drive is a method of power transmission that uses a belt to connect two or more rotating shafts. The belt is typically made of synthetic materials such as rubber, neoprene, or polyurethane and is looped around the pulleys connected to the shafts. The advantages of belt drives over other methods include quiet operation, high efficiency, low maintenance requirements, and the ability to transmit power over long distances. Belt drives are commonly used in industrial machinery, automobiles, and other types of equipment where power needs to be transmitted between two or more shafts. They are also popular in bicycles as they allow for smooth and efficient power transfer.